supported by smooth mango fruit drink, refresh with mango. Refreshment for everyone. नेपाली इन्टरटेनमेन्ट इन्डस्ट्रीको मोस्ट रोमान्टिक अनि अडोरेबल कपल हो अश्मी श्रेष्ठ अनि सनम पुरीको। मिस नेपाल 2016 अश्मी श्रेष्ठ अनि इन्डियन सिङ्गर सनम पुरी विगत केही वर्षदेखि रिलेसनसिपमा रहेका छन्। उनीहरूको प्रेमको चर्चा खुबै नै हुने गरेको छ। कोरोना भाइरसको महामारी अनि लकडाउनले गर्दा सनम र अश्मीको भेट नभएको पनि 8 महिना बितिसकेछ। सनम इन्डियामा नै छन् भने अश्मी नेपालमा। उनीहरू दुईजना बीचको लङ डिस्टेन्स रिलेसनसिपले गर्दा दुवैले एकअर्कालाई अहिले धेरै नै मिस गरिरहेका छन्। आफूहरू 8 महिनादेखि नभेटेको कुरा दुवैले सामाजिक सञ्जाल मार्फत व्यक्त गरेका छन्। दुवैले एकअर्कालाई मिस गर्दै सामाजिक सञ्जालमा आफ्नो भावना व्यक्त गरेका छन्। सनमसँगको फोटो पोस्ट गर्दै अश्मी लेख्छिन्, On 2nd of February when we said bye to each other, we never knew what was in store for us. 8 months without seeing him, 2020 almost over. It's little difficult to process the fact that the situation is not under our control. But we always tell ourselves that there are many who are going through worse situations in this time, and we try our best to stay grateful for what our life has given us. One day at a time, I miss you भन्दै अश्मीले सनमलाई मिस गरेकी छिन्। सनमले पनि मिस यु सो मच भन्दै कमेन्ट गरेका छन्। त्यस्तै सनमले पनि अश्मीलाई मिस गर्दै दुबईको फोटो हालेर लेख्छन्, When will we meet again is the question I ask not just every day but every second and more. So much that my brain can't even process the number of times this question runs in my head. But the love we have for each other is what helps us stay strong, patient and calm in difficult times. I'm sure many of you are going through a lot too, and I'll always pray for everyone to be strong and be able to face whatever comes your way. Today we complete 8 months of not meeting each other. May not be much for many who have not met their loved ones for years, but to us it feels like eternity. It will all get better and we will meet. Don't know when and don't expect either. Lots of love, miss you a lot भनेर सनमले अश्मीलाई मिस गरेका छन्। Waiting for good news since forever. Thank you for teaching me patience throughout. I really cannot wait to see you love my calmness. I miss you धेरै भनेर अश्मीले सनमको यो पोस्टमा कमेन्ट गरेकी छिन्। यसरी नै सनम र अश्मीले दुवैले एकअर्कालाई मिस गरिरहेको कुरा पोखेका छन्। दुवैले एकअर्कालाई नभेटेको 8 महिना भयो भनेर दुवैजनाले आफ्नो भावना व्यक्त गरेका छन्। सनम र अश्मीको जोडी तपाईहरूलाई कतिको मन पर्ने जोडी हो त कमेन्टमा लेख्नुहोला।
Hello. Fifth time. Mama.
What? Fifth time what?
I think I am coming back for fifth time.
Oh, okay.
If
Okay.
this situation is going to improve, I think this is how we're gonna be spending our time.
Mimi.
Good.
Chiku's asking, Didi, Chiku ko hi bol do, please.
Hi. Your name is Bhuvaneshwar.
क्या?
No, I said hi Bhuvaneshwar.
हाँ.
I miss mito food.
Hey, Chito.
Yeah, for this now lockdown has to get over
Mimi, somebody is
because
calling you Amish. Amish, you are gorgeous.
um, thank God
Sweet.
I thank God thank God they didn't say Amrish.
That'll be Amrish Puri then.
While saying realized, oh my God, Amrish. Okay. That was a good one.
अबे ओए क्या बोल रहे? That was Summer is talking to Ishan right now. I just saw Ishan's face. He was I don't know what he said, but it just sounded funny. Anyway, um,
I wish it was possible to go live with 3 or 4 people. It'd be crazy.
I know. मैं
Right?
यही सोच रहा था. Yeah, it would have been nice if at least we could add 2 more. Then
I know. It would be pretty crazy.
guys.
Okay.
Hey, finally another person. Oh, what's that? Both of your smiles look similar.
Yeah, our ears are also very similar. Dekha.
Yeah, that's people do say that. Summer भी same चीज बोलता है. कभी-कभी इतना
Yeah.
कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. He thinks I must me.
कुछ भी मत बोलो.
हाँ.
No, but we both have elephant ears. I don't know if it's monkey ear,
क्या
elephant
बोला
ear.
क्या बोला क्या बोला नहीं 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 I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
But it's obvious.
तो वो अच्छा बोल कर अब तो बोल दिया है.
Look, there's nothing wrong about it. It's okay.
हाँ
We love
हाँ.
animals. We love monkeys. We love elephants. You're a monkey, so it's fine.
Yeah. Elephants from Chitwan.
You're a monkey. Monkey from Mumbai. Mumbai monkey.
Chakchake Badar from Mumbai.
Chakke. Hey, monkey dilu. I think everybody compares you with monkey anyway. I don't know what's there to hide.
That's because I started putting that monkey emoji everywhere. So उसके बाद से everybody started
Yeah.
calling me monkey. Yeah.
Hmm. So don't have to hide, no? Show me your ears now. You're suddenly hiding. You're giving that profile from where it's not, your ears are not
ये ले,
visible.
ये ले.
Bye, Alan. It's okay.
तो आप क्या बोल रहे थे?
Go on.
Yes, tell me. What's your problem? What's the issue? Let me see if I can solve your problem.
Can you say something to
problem?
us in Nepali?
Yes, I can. अस्मी एकदमै जे पाइ त्यही कुरा बोलिरहेको छु
भएन राम्ररी भन राम्ररी
के
राम्ररी भन
के मतलब ठीक बोला मैंने
राम्ररी भन
के राम्ररी भन गुड ना
Wait, forget it. Khushbu, I told you, Khushbu is the one who's from Prive. I think I told you about her, no?
yes
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the video link and enjoy watching the videos.